low effort, extremely high reward.
Yes.
And I got to cuddle a bear. Oh, he was so cute. I thought about it, but he looked like he had had a bad morning, so you're fine. Good boy. Stay put. We bounced our way in here and fully expecting the further we get back in that we're going to be going up like a little creek and see kind of a cool creek waterfall. We've seen one picture of it. It looked like a creek. And we just came around the corner and
both went, whoa!
It is not a creek.
No.
We're talking Niagara Falls in the middle of the wilderness.
It was a lot bigger.
Big.
A lot
It was
more
big.
roaring, a lot taller, a lot bigger. So
Yep.
but we just seen it from the road, so now we're gonna go hike it.
Yeah, we're gonna go check it out and we'll take you along. So check this out. Oh boy. Now we know why it says allow 1 hour for the return. If only I were a small dog and could bounce down the stairs like nothing. Good boy. You stay back there between us. Definitely gonna be a thigh burner on the way up. First view of the river. There goes Tucker doing his thing. Everywhere we go, he finds sticks that are in the creek or the river, and he has to go drag the sticks out because there's not going to be any dirty river on his watch. He doesn't like the bubbles either. He's got to get those out of there. Got to have crystal clear water. He's the ultimate conservation dog. Last look before we go back up, lots of stairs. They said allow an hour to return on the sign. I don't see it taking an hour, but absolutely awesome. Can't imagine the amazing fish that are sitting in the bottom of that pool just waiting to be caught. Next time. Oh, and there's the brown bear. A little black bear. Hey, bear. You stay there. You're fine. Good boy. Stay put. Hey, bear. Stay there. Easy. You just do your thing. I'll do my thing. Walking up the trail, came across this monster. Somebody probably knows what kind of mushroom it is. Here's what the stalk looks like underneath. I'm not a mushroom eater or expert, but this thing, just to give you a scale, is a pretty big guy. Pretty cool. So drop us a comment, let us know. What is it? Don't worry, I didn't eat it or pick it. And left it for whatever is in love with them. Hoorah! Low effort, extremely high reward.
Yes.
And I got to cuddle a bear. Oh, he was so cute.
Cuddle.
I thought about it, but he looked like he had had a bad morning, so I was gonna scratch behind his ears, but it was pretty cool. It was pretty neat. Look forward to seeing the video and seeing how it turned out. And looking up over the sky behind us, looks like we got out of here just in time, because the blue skies, they are turning black like coal, and it's dark and a couple thunderclaps rolling in, so looks like we're gonna get wet. We got one more stop on this adventure of a day.
Yes.
We did a whirlpool, river confluence, awesome waterfall, and now we're gonna go drop in a natural hot spring and soak all our cares away.
It'll be great.
All right, see you there.